everyone. Today we are going to talk about a very famous book, which is none other than Norwegian Wood by Haruki Murakami. Now, yeah. So this is that book, and I know that you must have heard about this book a lot of times. I just wanted to read a book that is by Murakami since I've heard a lot about him, and yeah. So this is like the first book that I've read of Murakami. This book is set in Japan, somewhere around the timeline of 1960 to 1970s. Now, this book has a central character whose name is Toru, and there is this other character whose name is Nako. Now, Toru basically is traveling, and while traveling, he listens to a song, which is Beatles, which the song is by Beatles, and the name is also Norwegian Wood only. And now, while he listens to that song, he recalls and like he recollects all his memories, like when he was young. He's recalling all those times when he was like young, when he was a college student in Tokyo, and the story is about he was friends with Kizuki, and he meets his girlfriend. Kizuki's girlfriend is Nako. He meets Nako, and how the loss of life of Kizuki, how these two main characters meet each other, that is Nako and Toru. And the story is about that. They both are grieving the loss, and they both are grieving for Kizuki, obviously. That is, they are carrying their own baggage, but these two people connect, and this story is also about mental health. So these are some of the topics that you're going to read in this book. Now, I don't want to give much of a spoiler, but yeah, the ending of the book didn't. Yeah, I will not give you any spoiler, but I didn't like the ending of the book. Also, is this book my favorite? No, this is not the kind of book that I would want to read or like that. But yes, I will still recommend you because I have seen people that they have liked this book a lot. Like this is their favorite book. I would definitely want to read another Murakami book because I don't know if I should say this, but while I was reading this book, I was like, I really wanted to like this book, but I just like couldn't love this book. Would I recommend you to read this book? Definitely, yes, you should read this book because you might not know that this might be your favorite too. So, and if you have any recommendations of Murakami, do let me know.